Imagine building or editing an n8n workflow with a single prompt. This is Runlet, basically Cursor, but for n8n. First, we're gonna go and connect Supabase. Okay, we've connected Supabase because we're gonna use it in this workflow. So we will basically tell Runlet to create an n8n workflow for a customer support agent with RX system connected to Supabase vector store, and for adding the documents into the knowledge base, we're gonna fetch info from a website by entering just the URL of the website. Now we're gonna hit enter and see what Runlet's gonna cook up. Okay, as you can see here, Runlet thought and came up with a plan for the workflow, and then it started generating the workflow. Okay, as we can see here, Runlet generated the complete workflow, and we can preview the JSON code for the workflow or preview the workflow itself directly from here. We're gonna tidy up the workflow. As we can see here, it generated the document from URL trigger, which we're gonna set our URL in the set node, and then it's gonna create a fetch request, handle that, process the data, and then adding them to the Supabase vector store. And we can see here the agent itself, it has tools for reading the data from the vector store basically. And now we're gonna tell it to create the table for us on Supabase. Okay, now Runlet finished creating the tables in the functions, and also installed the vector extension on Supabase. Now we're gonna go ahead and check our generated workflow directly from our n8n instance. Okay, we see a little bit of errors. That's basically credentials. You're gonna click up here. As we can see, it has already configured everything for us, and we're gonna click here just to load the credentials. Also, we're gonna click here to load the credentials. Okay. Okay, so we will run the workflow and see if it has any errors. So we will basically run it on Runlet.ai. Let's see. Okay, we got an error here. It says invalid URL. We're gonna take the error and go back to Runlet. We got this error on the document loader node. Fix the errors. So we're gonna go ahead, refresh, and let's test our workflow basically. Okay, let's test on Runlet.ai. So this will basically generate the embeddings and store them in our Supabase table, which Runlet have created as well. So, okay, as we can see here, it already created the row. Okay, we can confirm that. So let's go ahead and test our agent. Hi, what is Runlet.ai? Okay, so I think it's working. Yep, you can see here, Runlet.ai is a platform designed to assist users building products or projects, software features, community workflows, integrations, and that's it. I think our workflow is complete and working, and I would like to thank the Product Hunt community, and we can't wait to see you guys using Runlet and providing your feedback, and we can't wait also to add more integrations, and thank you all.